Cement, the backbone of any construction. It's essential for making bricks, building homes, crafting strong pillars, and casting lintels that hold structures together. In 1824, Joseph Aspdin patented Portland cement, forever changing the construction industry. The journey of cement begins with limestone, clay, and sand. These materials are crushed, mixed, and heated in a kiln at over 1,400 degrees Celsius to create clinker. The clinker is ground into a fine powder, resulting in cement ready for construction. Different construction needs call for different types of cement. Ordinary Portland cement, OPC, is ideal for bricks, pillars, and general building. Portland Pozzolana cement, PPC, is perfect for long-lasting structures like bridges and dams. Specialized cements, like rapid hardening types, ensure quick and efficient construction.